Got a chip in your windshield, or maybe a crack that's starting to spread? Here's the big question: repair or replace? Here's the rule of thumb. If it's smaller than a loonie and out of your direct line of sight, we can repair it in minutes. Quick, affordable, strong. But if it's longer, spreading or blocking your vision, replacement is the only safe choice. And here's the good news. At Windshield Hub, we guide you the right way. No upsell, no shortcuts, just honest advice. Our certified techs use OM quality resin for repairs and OEM grade glass for replacements. And when replacement is needed, we recalibrate your sensors, so every safety feature works exactly the way it should. A crystal clear view, full protection, total peace of mind. Don't wait for that little chip to turn into a big problem. Book your service today at windshieldhub.ca. Windshield Hub, done right, done safe.